Listen carefully, look into your book and say with me. लक्ष देऊन ऐका. पुस्तकात पाहून माझ्याबरोबर म्हणा. Riya in the city. 1. Hi, I am Riya. I live in a big city. There are big buildings and wide roads in our city. Buses, cars, bikes. There's a lot traffic in the city. There is a dairy near my house. We buy milk from the dairy. We get the milk in a pouch. It's nice and as cold as ice. Name the things you see in the picture. चित्रात दिसणाऱ्या गोष्टींसाठी इंग्रजी शब्द सांगा.